What's up, guys? It's Maro here. Welcome to In Concept Interior Studio, and today we've actually finished phase 1 of the hard work. And I'm told this is the most hard.
Yeah, this was the hardest part.
So, do you think we will rise it up to that level?
No.
Yes.
We just need to take the level.
Yeah.
You see, when you have a flat level like this,
Yes.
you just tilt it even one inch,
Yeah.
the water will flow.
Okay.
So we just need to get the level.
Okay.
Then we just tilt it. Just a slight.
Muda mwoge mtoni. Muto imejaa. Mukitaka. Haya.
So we just tilt it slightly so that the water can flow. In the river, yeah?
Yes.
Yeah, so we don't need to do a big screed. We just take the level. Once we get our level, we just tilt it slowly.
Okay.
And then we direct the water to where our pipes will be, the down pipes.
All right.
Yeah.
So guys, this is what we've done. Today we've really achieved a lot.
Yeah, even the roof is clean.
Crazily grateful. It has not rained all the days we've started.
Yeah.
And imagine before those days it's been raining.
You know,
Rain, please hold on. Just a
hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is In Concept Interior Studio. In Concept Interior Studio here, we are still at Ayamaro Villa. So today I'm here. As I said, I'll be giving you updates every day on the roof, how the roof is progressing. So we are today, I'll be showing you the progress on the roof, but I've just come down here by the riverside just to see how we are doing the blocks. I'll be showing you how we do blocks here in Africa. It's very cheap and easy here to do blocks, so I'll be showing you how you're doing the blocks. So continue watching this channel for the updates of how the roof is going on. It's been a very difficult task. We never anticipated that it would be that difficult. We thought it's a 2-day thing. Today is our 3rd day, but we're still determined that we are going to make it. So we are pushing on hard to make sure that we achieve our goal, to make sure that we give our boss Ayamaro the best. So In Concept Interior Studio is here to update you on each and everything that is taking place on the roof. So welcome, watch the video to the end. So I am here inside the compound. I just want to show you guys, we have a river here. And guys, why I'm showing you this river is this river has been a blessing to Ayamaro, quite a big blessing, because the house that we have over there, the villa, it has been built using the blocks, and the blocks have been cast using the sand, and the sand was gotten from the river. So if you can see at the far end, we have sand over there that has been already harvested, just waiting to be brought over, cross the fence to come in the compound. But still, it is still in the Ayamaro compound. You realize this is the place where Ayamaro had shown you the other time he bought this land with all these trees. So why I'm showing you the river is because I wanted to show you the sand. This is too much sand, guys, that has just been gotten from the river. As you can see, this sand was gotten from the river. So I'm going to show you today how the villa was built using blocks. I know most of you have seen, but for the new subscribers who have not been watching Ayamaro, please support Ayamaro. He's our boss here. He's been taking care of us and also promoting us through these YouTube channels, and he has helped so many people to open YouTube channels. So we have too much sand here, guys. You cannot believe it. All this sand has come from the river. The river is just behind here, and we have all this sand all the way to the far end. So we have a lot of sand harvested from the river. So guys, if you live just next to the river, This shows you what you can do. You can see all these blocks, guys. All this fence around here. All the blocks have been cast using the river sand. So it's just cement, water, and sand, and a few steel bars, and boom, we have the wall. So I just want to show you the river here. This is the river. We have the clay bath here. This clay bath has not been functioning for the last few days. It was very active during the party. So this is the river, guys. As you can see, there's a lot of sand in the river. A lot of sand. These are some of the miracles of God. You harvest the sand in the river, and the river doesn't run deep. You harvest and there's still more sand. So this sand has been a very, very great help to the villa. Just wanted to show you the river where the sand is coming from. This is the river, guys, and it has very clean water. The water is so clean and flowing. Clean and flowing water, safe for drinking. So we are back in the village, guys. So today I just want to show you how the blocks are being made. Why I'm showing you this is because these blocks are part of our project on the roof. I'll be showing you on the roof what we are going to use, where the blocks will go. So we have all this river sand here, and it's very good quality river sand. So I'll show you what we are doing. So guys, all this fence, all these blocks have been built just by sand and cement. Sand and cement, and the pillars, they've used sand, ballast, and cement to reinforce it. So this is how we are mixing. We have cement here. These are cement, and this is the sand. So this is how we are mixing the sand. So for every one bag of cement, we are mixing with 4 wheelbarrows of sand. 4 wheelbarrows of sand. So 1 bag of cement will give you 30 blocks. So guys, you can do the mathematics. So we are mixing the sand and cement here for 1 bag. And you can do between 4 or 5 wheelbarrow depending on the strength, how you want your block to be. But approximately is 1 bag for 30 blocks of 30 blocks. So guys, this is how we mix the sand. Very young, strong man there. So guys, let's go and see how we are casting the blocks. So first, you need to have a mold. So this is how our mold looks like. This is our mold. It's made of metal. And this is how we are casting our blocks. It's so simple, guys. Very, very simple. This is something you can do at your home. You can do it by yourself. You just need a mold, sand and cement, and a mallet. You hit it like that. Like that. And then you remove it. Then you do another one. So that's the process. So guys, as I've told you, 1 bag of cement will give you 30 blocks. So you can do the mathematics. I'll be giving you the size of the block. The block ni inchi ngapi kwa inchi ngapi?
Length is 15 hivi. Width is 5. Height is 7.
7.
Yeah.
So this block is 7 inches. Let's start length times width times height. So length is 15. The width is 5 inches.
Yeah.
By 7 inches. So if you are a mathematician, you can do your calculation and know how many blocks you need. Na hizi blocks mnatengeza kama ngapi kwa siku? Mtu mmoja anaweza piga ngapi kwa siku?
Mmoja anapiga 400.
Mtu mmoja? So guys, I'm asking them how many blocks each person makes. So they are saying every person makes 400 blocks per day. 400 kwa siku?
Yeah.
So today we have three guys here casting the blocks, and we have another 2 guys over there. So we expect to have 1,200 kufikia jioni. So guys, at the end of the day we will have 1,200 blocks in the evening. If you remember guys very well, when the house for Mama Ann was being built, the house was built in 10 days. So we could see how they were casting the blocks. So actually, if you can do 1,200 blocks in a day, you can know how many blocks you need for your building, and then you can calculate. So we'll be having 1,200 blocks by the end of the day today. This is what we already have now. So guys, these blocks, we'll be using some of them at the rooftop to separate the areas where we want to manage the water flow on the roof. So continue watching this video. At least today I just wanted you to see the mold is made of a very strong piece of metal, and then it is welded together. So this is how you need to make it. A very interesting affair, guys. So this is how we do it here in Africa. I know there are developed countries, we have machines, you just put in the cement, the mortar, there's vibration, there's everything. Here we are doing it manually. So our vibration is a piece of wood. So that's our vibration. So you hit it, then you add, then you vibrate again. That's our vibration machine. Then after that you do a steel on top, you shake it a little bit, then the block is ready, just as fast as that. So guys, if you're building a house in the village and you have a river or you have access to river sand, you don't need to struggle to buy blocks, because this, I'll show you, the villa has been made using the same blocks, and it is standing very well. So you can be sure that this is good. It's a good system of also doing the blocks. So guys, I'll be taking you to the roof. To show you the progress for today. At least I've shown you how we are doing our blocks here. Very young, dedicated men, and working very fast. So that's what we have today here. So you can see how the blocks are coming out very nicely. Then tomorrow they'll be cured with water. They need to cure them with water at least for 2-3 days. Then after that, I think the blocks will be ready for use. So this is what we have here. I'll come back here in the evening, guys, to show you what we have done. And we need to see 1,200 blocks as we've been promised. And I know we will be having them. So thank you for watching. Continue watching this video. I'll be showing you the progress on the roof, what we are doing. A very hard task over there. Thank you very much. I'm fine, Mr. Gitriba.
Yes, you are good.
I'm good.
Guys, today is a working day from Villa Medellin. Even you see here, just do. So I am working hard, guys. And can you look my hand? Yes. And
Show them your hands.
Look.
Eh?
Look.
Yeah, you've been working hard, yeah?
Yes, introduce yourself.
So guys, thank you very much,
Yes.
Gitiriba, for introducing me to your people. Subscribe, support Gitiriba, like the videos. Don't forget to, don't skip the ads.
Yes.
Don't skip the ads, yeah? Please don't skip the ads.
Yes.
Watch the videos to the end. Support our guy Gitiriba here.
Thank you, Mr.
My name is In Concept Interior Studio. So In Concept Interior Studio is behind the demolition of the roof. Actually, we are not demolishing.
So
we are trying to make it good.
Terrazzo.
Yeah,
Terrazzo in English we call it what?
Terrazzo. Just call it terrazzo. Yeah. Terrazzo.
Okay.
So we want to make the roof good. We want to make sure that all the waters go down. We just want to make sure the house is safe, no leakages and no nothing. So that's why we are doing all this, guys. It was necessary that we do this. We are very sorry that this has happened, but we just have to do it to make things come right. So guys, if you are from Gitiriba, please watch our videos on In Concept Interior Studio. You will see we are going to show you how we are going to make this roof step by step.
Every day.
Yeah, so this is Ayamaro's driver.
Yes.
He has a YouTube channel called Gitiriba.
Gitiriba.
Please go follow him on YouTube channel. Support him. If you are from In Concept, I know we have so many guys there from In Concept that don't know Gitiriba. Please go look for that YouTube channel Gitiriba and support him.
Thank you, guys. I appreciate.
Yeah.
And guys from Gitiriba, don't forget In Concept
Interior Studio.
Please go to support.
Thank you very much.
He's a good
Gitiriba.
person, guys.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
I appreciate me.
So guys, hey, today's task has been a very difficult one. You can see how the roof is looking. I'm sorry guys, it looks like a bomb. My goodness, says like a bomb. It looks like a bomb fell here. Looks like the building is falling down. To manage the water. Yeah. So here is our boss.
So tomorrow we clear up this.
So the plan after cleaning this area, tomorrow
So other people will be removing this.
Yes.
Other people will move to the other side.
Yes.
So when you move to the other side, then I'm thinking on Monday for sure. You know, once they remove this, then Mr. Bola will come in, try to take the measurements, the level. Yes. Then now we start to fix it.
So from Monday
we should be doing very well.
Okay.
Yes, very well.
Thank you, man. So I am working here.
Yes, Gitiriba
Can
is
you
one
see,
of my
Look
soldiers.
my hand here.
Tough.
My boss.
Yeah.
Look. So
Very
are
tough
together on the top, guys. With the
Yes.
marrow here.
Yes.
So
Please subscribe to Gitiriba's
Yes.
YouTube channel, guys.
Thank
you. Somebody's calling me.
Thank you.
I don't know who's calling me. Oh. Fundi.
So guys, that's our boss. That's our boss, Maro. He was speaking to Gitiriba. So this is what we've been able to do. You can see how much screed was here. This is all screed, guys. This is not concrete. This is screed. It's just sand and cement that was added on top of the existing initial slab. So we have to remove it so that we can be able to take the levels, because they had put the screed too much on one side and less on the other side, just to get the level, to get the water to go on one side. So those who are joining on this video and they have not seen the previous video, why we are doing this is because this roof is too big. The roof is too big, guys. The roof is approximately 4,600 square feet. That's our roof. So you can do the calculation. If it's raining very hard, so if you have 4,600 square feet and the rain is raining too hard, maybe I forgot those terms. The rain is measured in millimeters. So if you have that, there's too much water here when it's raining. And why we are doing this is because when they created this slab, why they did a lot of big screed like this was to get the level for the whole house, to drain the water like this, all the water from the house to one spot where Kibe is standing over there. That is where all the water was going. So right now we realize that this water is too much for the exit, so we need to redirect it to different directions.
Mr. Bole,
Yes, sir.
how are you?
I'm fine.
Is everything going as according to plan?
Everything is okay. I didn't expect this slab to be this big.
You know, when you said you're
screed.
gonna remove everything on top,
You were scared because you knew what
I
was
knew
put
what
there.
was here.
But you see, that's the only way we can manage the water, because
Yeah.
this water is too much over there. I've been up here when it's raining, especially in December when it was raining. I used to come up here, and sometimes the water would flow, sometimes even 5 inches above the holes. Yeah.
Yeah.
So if it rains for like 2 hours,
Yeah.
so that means that water will stay there for 2 hours, because the holes are too small to exit all the water at the same time.
Yeah.
Yeah, so the only option was to create other avenues, so that when it's raining, the water is getting out of the roof in different directions.
Okay.
Yeah, so they had done all the slope to this side. So we have to remove all this,
Yes.
and then now we direct the water to different directions. Some water will go through that direction, some this direction.
Yeah.
So that was the best way we could do it, to prevent now the water from seeping through.
Yeah, I want to be here and ensure we finish this area.
Yeah, this will finish. This will finish. According to the progress, I'm sure we'll finish this today. And
actually,
immediately we finish this today,
Yeah.
tomorrow I want the masons, so
Okay.
that we can do this retaining wall. Tomorrow I will start taking my levels here, as you guys proceed on the other side. So tomorrow I will need at least 2 masons,
Okay.
so that
we'll
we
talk
start.
to Mayugno.
Mayugno, yeah, they
So
can
very
come
nice.
tomorrow.
Yes.
So when they come, we can start taking levels for this side. I'll take the levels with them, so that we can start once they
And I
finish
need my
there.
electrician if there is something that
Yeah.
needs to be done.
In fact, yesterday I met him and he said he will come today, and he didn't come.
The
We wanted him to come to do for us those pipes, to repair the pipes.
Okay.
Yeah, so I'm scared when I see this, but I know
No, it's here removed.
I know we will
where we've
manage.
come from.
Yeah, we've come from far.
Crazy part.
Mm.
You never know. Worst case scenario, at least you know nearly half of the house is done.
Yeah, once we finish here, here there's not much screed.
Yes, exactly.
The only big screed is over there, but it's a small portion.
Yeah.
It's a very small portion.
Actually, it's up to somewhere here.
Yeah. Yeah. Just this area. This area, it's high, but from here to there is not very high.
It's not.
Mm.
Actually, from here, this way.
Yeah.
And it's not that, even right now, this is not very bad as the other side where we are going.
Yeah.
Actually, where we are going is the toughest area.
Yeah. Once we finish there,
Yeah.
at least we will start taking the levels of that side.
Yeah.
Then I'll start, once I take the levels over there,
Yeah.
as they do this one, we'll be doing the screed for the other side.
So you know here there was a hole. Oh, they're actually here, you know. Drops like this, it goes into a bucket.
Mm-hmm.
Then this bucket has a pipe. And this pipe takes it to whatever, maybe to
Takes-
an underground tank or something.
Yeah, that's what I wanted us to do here. We'll introduce some pipes, so that when the water goes down,
If river don't go,
goes
please
to
call
the
everybody
pipes.
to come. Call everybody. We want to go lunch once we're halfway. So after lunch is
after
like,
lunch we just finish.
we just finish.
Yeah,
Because right now is when the body is ready to work.
Yeah.
After lunch people will feel tired and
tired. Yeah.
exhausted.
Actually, if they
If
finish
river-
here,
Leta watu wote, waambie tu wakuje.
if they finish here, they can relax and come tomorrow in the energetic.
Yeah, you see what I'm saying? We go lunch when we are here. Somewhere here.
Yeah,
So when you come after lunch, everybody will just work hard.
and we finish completely.
Twende lunch tukiwa hapa jamani. I think Bintu has come. Chunge pipe. Hapo kuna simu utakupa show.
Hiyo pipe imeenda mpaka chini. So guys, that's our boss. We are just discussing what we are doing here. Actually, it looks like a disaster. It looks like a disaster, guys. But this is the only way we could secure this roof. And if you are out there and you know any better way we could have done it, please let us know in the comment section. But this is the only way we could do it, because I know when you're draining water from the roof, you need to drain the water from all directions, all angles. because if you direct all the water from into one direction, this is too much water. So thank you for watching the video, guys. Continue watching this video. We are going to show you in the evening where we are going to have reached. So thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Continue watching, and don't forget to share our video, like, and also comment in the comment section. Let's know what your thoughts are. Thank you, guys. So today we want to give you the progress of the roof, the progress on the roof. As you know, we've been working on the roof for the last 3 days. The last 3 days, I think this is the 4th day. So we've been working on the roof. We are doing the waterproofing of the roof. So as we said, please continue watching our videos. It has been a very difficult task, not what you expected actually. I thought this work would take 2 days to finish, but it has taken us more than 3 days. So I think this is the 4th day. And we are continuing to remove the screed. The screed was too big, more than 6 inches, some places are 7 inches layer of mortar and cement, which is it's just too big for the roof. So we had to remove all the screed on the roof so that we can take new levels and drain our water from the roof. So continue watching this video as we show you what the progress where we are. So please keep thank you very much for the comments that we are getting. Thank you very much for the likes of our video, and thank you for watching our videos. For the new subscribers, please watch the last 2 videos for you to understand what we are doing. We've been here working for the last 3 days, so if you don't understand from this video, please go back and watch our last 2 videos. We have explained what we are doing here. We want to waterproof the roof here. So the roof was leaking, and we realized that there was some things that were not done right, so we are just trying to correct them. And they had drained the water into one direction, the whole roof. You can see those holes over there. That's where the water was draining from. And the roof is very massive, guys, as you can see.
What's up, guys? It's Maro here. Welcome to In Concept Interior Studio, and today we've actually finished phase 1 of the hard work. And I'm told this is the most hard one.
Yeah, this was the hardest part.
So, do you think we will rise it up to that level?
No.
Yes.
We just need to take the level.
Yeah.
You see, when you have a flat level like this,
Yes.
you just tilt it even one inch,
Yeah.
the water will flow.
Okay.
So we just need to get the level,
Okay.
then we just tilt it. Just slightly.
Muda mwoge mtoni. Muto imejaa. Mukitaka. Aya.
So we just tilt it slightly
I'm
so
telling
that
them
the
they
water
take
can
a shower
flow.
in the river.
Oh, in the river, yeah? Yeah, so we don't need to do a big screed. We just take the level. Once we get our level, we just tilt it slowly.
Okay.
And then we direct the water to where our pipes will be, the down pipes.
All right.
Yeah.
So guys, this is what we've done. Today we've really achieved a lot.
Yeah, even
And
the
me,
roof
I'm
is clean.
crazily grateful. It has not rained all the days we've started.
Yeah.
And imagine before that, those days it's been raining.
You know,
Rain, please hold on. Just a
so guys, as you can see, this roof is massive. It's just too big. It's too big. It's 4,600 square feet. 4,600 square feet approximately. And that's the only area that they had put the outlet for the rainwater. So it was choking, and also the roof was leaking. So there was so much water that is retained on the roof. It was seeping in the slab and leaking down into the rooms down. So it was spoiling the ceiling. So we want to have new levels taken. Then once we take the levels, we drain the water from different directions from the roof so that the water can drain quickly. So the most important thing when you're doing a roof, when you're doing the the flat roof is to make sure that when you do your screed, the levels of water and the direction of the water should be very, you should do a slope whereby there's no water that will be retained on the roof once it has rained. You make sure that the roof has been drained completely, that all the water has been directed to the collection points, which is the down pipes. So that's what we want to do. So as you can see, we've been working here for the last 4 days. The slab is just too hard to do it. We have had so many comments, and people have said, why don't you get the machine that can remove the screed, the vibrator, or the compressor machine that can remove the slab, but we didn't want to use that because the roof, the concrete slab is very delicate, especially the operation that we are doing now is very delicate. We cannot use high power machines because we don't want to cause a lot of vibration on the roof, and most machines that could do this, they have a lot of vibration, so they could still damage the existing slab. So we opted to do it manually, because when you do it manually, we are doing it carefully, just to make sure that we remove the screed, the top screed, and maintain the original slab. So otherwise, if you use the machine, there's a possibility that the vibration could affect the existing slab, so we didn't want to use that. So that's why we opted to do it manually. That's why it has taken long. So guys, we realized that you can see the thickness of the screed. That is a screed, guys. It's not even concrete, it's just a screed, mortar and cement. It's close to 8 inches in some areas. Some areas have 6 inches. So this is our last lap. We are almost completing this area. So once we complete this area, we'll start to take our levels and start to do our drainage of the water, to drain it. So we need to drain this water from different angles from the roof. So continue watching our video, guys. We are going to show you, if you want to do a flat roof, if you watch this video, it will help you just in preparation. As I said before, normally when you want to do, if you're doing a flat roof, first of all, you have to make sure that the final slab that is cast is a special slab. It's not a normal slab like the first floor or the ground floor slab. So it has to be special, and again, you have to use a special kind of some recommended waterproofing agents and mixtures. So number one, we start with the concrete mixture. The normal recommended concrete mixture for the slab and the columns is the ballast, the sand, and the cement. And also, when it comes to cement, we have different classes of cement. So please talk to your engineer, and also get some advice from the construction managers, so that they can give you the correct cement to use. Some people just go to the hardware and say, I want cement, and they'll buy the cheapest. So if you buy the cheapest cement and use it to do your columns and your pillars and your slab, you might have some problems in future. So what you need to do is you have to make sure that the cement you are using, especially for the slab, the columns and the pillars, because that is the concrete mixing, it's a special class of cement. It's not the normal cement. If you go to the manufacturer, they will even give you some recommendation. We have special cement for plaster, just doing the plaster and the screed. That cement is not recommended for the structural strength of a building. So you need to get that from the manufacturer, and also from your engineer, consultant engineers, so that they give you the best recommendation. Because you realize that most people just know cement is cement. We have different classes of cement. That is why we have bridges, we have skyscrapers, And all those buildings, they use different class of cement. So when you want to do, first of all, you need to get an engineer who will look at your structure and also the use of your structure. And then he will guide you through to tell you which one is the good cement especially for the slab. If you're doing a flat roof, you can see, guys, we have a massive flat roof here. This is very massive flat roof. So if you're doing a flat roof like this, please consult your engineer. Let them recommend to you the best class of cement, because we even have some cement. We have some hardeners that you can add into your concrete mixture to reinforce it. We call it reinforced concrete. Those are used for different kind of structures. So it depends on the kind of structure you are doing. So if you're doing a house, and you're doing your own house, you're doing a bridge, you're doing a water tank, you're doing an underground tank, you're doing everything that you do, it is good to get consultancy from the experts, especially the engineers who have dealt with this construction, who understands exactly what you're doing. They will come, they will look at your structure, then they will give you the best advice. So what I was saying is, if you're doing a rooftop, I'll just give you a brief of a rooftop, especially if your rooftop will be exposed directly to the sun, and that's the final floor, and that will be exposed to the rain, to the sun. So one thing you need to consider is, number one, make sure you use the good quality cement when you're casting your slab. Number two, the recommended ballast for using for the concrete mixture is 3/4 inch. We have different sizes of ballast. We have 3/4 inch, we have 1 inch, we have 1/2 inch, we have 1/4 inch, and we also have smaller than that, which we call the dust, that they normally use for cabro, the cabro paving and stuff like that. So the recommended size for the slab, for the rooftop, is you need to use at least 1/2 inch. At least 1/2 inch, because the smaller it is, the more the more compact it will be, and also the more it is stronger, and also it eliminates a lot of air pockets when it is well vibrated. So we need to use a smaller, not the normal one that you use for the pillars and the slabs downstairs or the first floors. So for the top floor, you should use a smaller size of the ballast, and then on top of that, you need to use an admixture, which is for waterproofing, which will be recommended by your construction manager or your engineer. The admixture that will strengthen the slab, and it will also waterproof your concrete mixture for the slab. So that is number one step of waterproofing. So your slab should be waterproofed by adding the admixture for waterproofing, and make sure that you use the smaller ballast, not the normal one that you used for the pillars and the slabs, the lower slabs. And then when you're doing that, make sure that it is well vibrated and well compact. And then number two, once your slab is ready, you need to do what we call the screed. When you do the screed, your screed should also have an admixture of waterproofing. And when you're doing that, especially for the top roof, please make sure you use a good quality admixture, because we have so many in the market. Make sure you use good quality, reputable company. The admixture for the one that you are using for the screed. And then once you finish your screed, then you can do your membrane. Then you can do your membrane. The membrane can be applied directly on the slab, or you can also apply the membrane after you do your screed. The only difference is if you do your membrane on top of the screed, then you have to add something on top of the screed, which will protect the membrane. So once you do your screed, your screed should have the admixture, and that will also act as a waterproofing. And then from that, your screed should be nicely done, finished in steel, also very well compacted, and very well, the ratio should be very well done. And then after that, you should do, once you do your screed, if you're doing your membrane on top of the screed, let your screen cure, and then you do the membrane on top of the screed. Once the membrane is already done, you just need to cure it for maybe a day or two. Then you need to protect your membrane with in this case, we are going to do our last protection here, which is the terrazzo. But you can use quarry tiles. You can also use, we have some special outdoor tiles. So once you do that, then you can be sure that your roof will not leak. So that is what we are going to do here. Once we finish removing all these things, we are going to do the first of all, we will take our levels. Number one, after you do your slab, you need to take the levels and direct the waters to the direction that you want the water to go, where your downpipes will be. So once you direct your water, you can do a water test, or you can, if it's raining, you can come and check when it's raining and see where the water is going. So you can do a water test, just pour a lot of water on the roof and see which areas are retaining the water. So those areas that are retaining the water, please drain them, add more slope, or drain the water, because you need to clear all the water from the roof immediately the water falls on the roof. So it has to flow into the downpipe. So whenever it rains or whenever you pour water on your roof, there should be no areas that have depressions that will retain water. So all the water should be drained immediately it drops on the roof. That's step number one, to make sure that the water is not retained on the roof. Every time it rains or every time you pour the water on the roof, it has to drain by itself. So once that is okay on your screed, then you can go ahead and waterproof your screed, do the membrane, and then you can go ahead and protect it using terrazzo or quarry tiles or any recommended finished product. You can even do you can also do bituminous membrane, which is IPP. There are so many in the market. So it depends on what you want to use. It depends on your pocket, and also it depends on what your engineer or your expertise, your construction manager will advise you. So when you're doing those things, please make sure that you seek professional advice. Just get a consultant, seek professional advice. Make sure that everything you do has been done professionally, so that you avoid time wasted. You also avoid a lot of expenditure that is unnecessary. And then from there, I think you'll be good to go. So guys, please continue watching our channels. We are going to show you, especially as we prepare this roof, we will show you how we are going to do this roof, and you can also follow the same. If you have a construction, you can follow the same, and the people will because sometimes we have clients who get into construction without having an idea of what construction materials they need to be using. So sometimes it's good to seek advice, to get professionals to advise you. So continue watching our videos, guys. We are also advising you on how to do most of the things in construction. So continue watching this video, guys. Today's video will be updating you. Thank you very much.
What's up, guys? It's Maro here. Welcome to In Concept Interior Studio, and today we've actually finished phase 1 of the hard work. And I'm told this is the most hard.
Yeah, this was the hardest part.
So, do you think we will rise it up to that level?
No.
Yes.
We just need to take the level.
Yeah.
You see, when you have a flat level like this,
Yes.
you just tilt it even one inch,
Yeah.
the water will flow.
Okay.
So you just need to get the level,
Okay.
then you just tilt it. Just slightly.
Muda mwage mtoni. Mto imejaa. Mukitaka. Haya.
So you just tilt it slightly
I'm
so
telling
that
them
the
they can
water
take
can
a shower
flow.
in the river.
Oh, in the river, yeah? Yeah, so we don't need to do a big screed. We just take the level. Once we get our level, we just tilt it slowly.
Okay.
And then we direct the water to where our pipes will be, the down pipes.
All right.
Yeah.
So guys, this is what we've done. Today we've really achieved a lot.
Yeah, even
And
the
me,
roof
I'm
is clean.
crazily grateful. It has not rained all the days we've started.
Yeah.
And imagine before that, those days it's been raining.
You know,
Rain, please hold on. Just a
oh, it's recording
it's
now.
recording now. So what happened?
I prayed.
Or you prayed?
I told God,
Yes.
please stop that rain
Okay.
until we finish this job. Even
Yes.
today it drizzled.
Yeah, it drizzled today
And even yesterday.
Oh,
And I was in prayer, I told God, no, we have to finish this
yes.
before it rains.
So how
our
many
God is so faithful.
how many days do you need to clear where we've done?
Okay, there's still some work to be done because once after we take the levels,
Yeah.
we need to do now the screed. We'll do another screed,
Another
but
screed.
it will not be big, just
Okay.
a small one.
Okay.
And then after we do the small screed,
Yes.
that is the one that will give us the direction of the water.
Okay.
Yeah. Then after the screed, now we'll do the membrane.
Okay.
Then, but now we need to do the screed for here. Finish. We screed here. Finish the rooftop. And then we can do the membrane. After the membrane, now we'll start doing now the terrazzo, preparation for the terrazzo.
Okay.
Yeah. So we
All
still
right,
have we
guys.
still have some work.
Few steps.
Yeah, we have a few steps.
But I
to
don't
go.
think it will be as hard as what
No,
we've
it's
done.
not. It's
This
not
was tough.
hard as this. Now that is technical. Just taking the level and guiding the fundis on what to do.
Okay.
Then when we finish, now the terrazzo guys will come. They know their job.
Okay.
It will be a smooth run.
All right, guys. Let me pay my boys after hard work, and probably tomorrow.
So thank you guys for watching.
Yes.
Thank you very much for watching our videos.
Yes.
And,
And actually, if you're watching from my Amaro, guys, subscribe to In Concept Interior.
Interior Studio.
Yes, let's see how our H will come out. You know, you work so hard, and then one day somebody says you are a scammer or you are Illuminati and all these things, and your hands are like this. That's tough to do.
Don't worry, God knows your heart.
Yeah.
He knows how hard you work, and He's the one who rewards.
That's true.
Yeah, God
All
is
right,
the one
guys.
who rewards.
All right, guys.
Okay, thank you guys. Thank you for watching. So I just want to show you what we have done today here. Our roof is clean. Guys, this is the roof after we have removed all the screed. Now I just want to show you the level where the screed was. We have some pipes for the CCTV camera here. We are going to manage them once we start doing the screed. So guys, you can imagine, you can see the level, the screed, how the level where the screed was. Actually, this is more than 10 inches in this part. It's more than 10 inches. It was going all the way like this. This was too much screed. It's even bigger than the slab. Too much. So that was our screed. Guys, you can see all that was a screed. So now we are left with the concrete slab. This is the concrete slab. So this is the one now we'll be using to take our level. So I'm just showing you where the screed was, the level for the screed. This is how it was. Actually, it was very, very, very high on this side. So it was going that way. And then here it was going leaner and smaller and smaller. So they were directing all the water to this position here. That's why you can see, you can compare this. This is the level of screed that's remaining here, guys. So tomorrow we'll be working on this. This is the one that is remaining. So you can see, so you can imagine, at that side we had more than 10 inches. On this side over here we have at least it's like 1 inch. So you can imagine the slab that was in here was very, very, very big. So tomorrow what we need to do is we need to take the level for the whole area, and then as I said before, we need to do a retaining wall here. I'll show you tomorrow. We'll be building a retaining wall here. I showed you the bricks that we are doing. I told you what, so we will be building a wall from here. We'll be building a wall from here, going all the way to that wall over there, so that we can direct all this water to go this way. Some water will go that way, and we need to get some water this way. So we need to direct this water from different angles, so where we'll be having the down pipes. So we need to direct that water. So that's why we need to take the level and then do our markings. Then once we do that, we'll be doing another screed, a new screed on the roof. After we've done the new screed, so we'll deal with this area first, what we've done here. Then tomorrow they will be removing this screed over here. Then we'll finish with the far end. So this is what we've been doing today, guys. Continue watching our videos, guys. So thank you very much for watching our videos. So guys, we are here still at the compound, the Villa Medellin. I just want to show you what I showed you the blocks that we were doing, and they say that they are going to do 1,200 blocks. So I just want to show you what they were managed to do in a day. So, and I can see the blocks are ready. So we'll be using some of these blocks tomorrow to build just a small wall. So these are the blocks. Actually, they managed to do a lot of them. I believe there are 1,200 or even more. So this is what they did yesterday. You can see the blocks are there. So guys, you can see if this is one day's work, and there were only 3 guys building. We had 5 guys doing this, so 3 were doing the blocks and 2 guys were mixing the sand. So I'm sure if you can have like 10 guys, you can have let's say like 4,500 blocks in a day. So this tells you that if you're doing a small house, you can build it, you can have the blocks ready in less than a week. In 1 week, you can have enough blocks to build a big house. So those are the horses over there. They're grazing. We have the cows over there. So thank you guys for watching our videos. Thank you very much for watching the video. We are going to show you more and more and more as we continue. So this video will end here, and we'll see you on the next video. Thank you for our supporters, in concept subscribers. Thank you very much. Thank you for guys who watch our videos. We have so many guys who watch our videos, they have not subscribed. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for coming back again to watch our videos. Continue watching our videos, share, comment, and also like the video. So this video will be ending here. So continue watching. We'll show you everything as we continue doing. Thank you very much. See you on the next video.